everybody, I just wanted to shoot a quick little tutorial for you today. I'm here with Yoli, who's just done a class. Morning, Yoli. And she's been having knee pain, particularly when she does squats or lunges. So we're doing an exercise today and that was causing her pain. So we're just gonna change up how she's doing her squat and what she's doing to help get rid of that knee pain. So Yoli, if you just go into your squat how you would normally be doing your squat, or maybe we'll take the ball out to start with because that's our little trick we want to show everybody. Yep. So Yoli was doing her squat and you can see here coming up and down in her squat, her legs are quite wide, her toes are kind of angled out, and then her knees were starting to hurt. So what we're going to do is we really want to bring her legs in a little bit narrower, okay? We want to start to get her using her glute med in the side of her bottom here because that's going to help to stabilize her hips. It's going to help to also help with the knee pain, okay? So we really want that muscle working. We want to take the weight out of the knees. So quite often when people are squatting, they're kind of slipping forward over their knees. We want to get the weight into the heels so those glutes are on. So how we're going to do that with Yoli here, she's going to really dig her heels into the ground. She's going to think about her tummy being on, so her core is supporting her also. She's sinking down into the squat, driving those heels into the ground, including on the way up, okay? And then we were finding that she was still getting a little bit of pain, and you can probably see here that her knees are flaring out to the sides a little bit. So what I did was I popped a little happy ball between her knees here. Okay, that's going to keep her knees tracking forward, okay? She's sticking her butt back as she squats, weight into the heels, and then how the knees feeling now. Good, good. See, that took the pain out of her squat, and she was having quite a lot of pain in her squat. So you can do your squats like that. It's going to get the glute med working, which is going to help stabilize the hips, also help with the knee pain. It's also going to give you that round perky bottom, which is awesome. And it's going to work everything we need working, but it's not going to put strain on the knees. Okay, so enjoy that one, have a play with it, and let us know how you go. Take care, and have a great day.